also shots fired at 252nd Mountain Highway. Is everybody on this channel okay?
I hear you smoking. Eastbound 260th from Mountain Highway. Traffic medium.
Eastbound 260th from Mountain Highway. 40 eastbound 260th from 58th Avenue East. PC for assault 1 on the main channel. Your details just show it. Approaching Rocky Ridge Elementary and approaching 68th Avenue East.
Unit 70th Avenue on the north side for 6. Gun out the window now. He's waving the gun out the window. He's be advised.
Waving a gun out the window.
Taking shots at us. Well, if your window looks busted out the back.
Who's taking shots? Detail shows everybody just north of 70th, stationary, and now possibly moving northbound. Female hostage, 260th Street from 70th Avenue, just northbound.
I won't do this. Please drop the gun. I will drop the gun. We will shoot you. I will drop the gun.
Drop it.
Front of 7 again.
Drop the wrong gun.
There you go.
Right car.
Front of 7 area, APL 7 stationary, 260th Street East, 70th Avenue East.
Take her to the hospital.
Coming up, coming up.
Shots fired, 260th and 70th Avenue East, 1450.
Coming up behind. Get out, get out, get out.
Get out, get out. Get out.
Shots fired,
Watch your back, watch your back. Watch your back.
Are you okay?
Okay.
Amber, you okay? Are you okay?
Is everybody okay? Let's get us. I'm gonna grab a shield.
I have no visual. Show me your hands right now.
Show me your hands. I'm grabbing a shield. Then we can go on. Okay, hang on.
Shield, give us a shield, Marty.
We got one coming. Guys, watch the back drop. Watch that garage door, okay?
2033 notified SWAT via Everbridge and notify the CDO.
Confirm, notifying SWAT in the CDO, 1457.